Hello and welcome to our unboxing video of the Lenovo ThinkSmart Core Gen 2 full room kit.
That's right, a full room kit in this box. Let's see what's inside.
That's everything out of the box. So what do we have here?
So first of all, we have the ThinkSmart Bar 180.
Which is 180 degrees field of view.
Here we have the brackets and the cables for wall mounting.
Hidden nicely behind the screens.
Warranty information. How long is the warranty?
3 years, premium warranty.
ThinkSmart IP controller, extra HDMI cables, and last but not least, the ThinkSmart Core Gen 2.
This is the engine of the meeting room, powering Microsoft Teams rooms and Zoom rooms with its ultra-fast Intel processor. That's everything that was in the box. Let's take a closer look.
Here we are, powerful yet compact. Here's what you need to know. Comes preloaded with ThinkSmart Manager software. ThinkSmart controller 10.1 HD anti-smudge touchscreen display.
The ThinkSmart Bar 180 boasts an AI-enabled camera and voice detectors, which automatically focuses on people speaking.
Experience immersive audio with noise cancellation and echo reduction.
It has a modular design for flexible setups.
Supports multiple displays for any room size.
And offers remote management via ThinkSmart Manager. For BYOD, connect a single USB-C into the ThinkSmart Core device.
So there we go, all of that in just one box.
Want to know more? Get in contact with the Maverick team.